Movement requests in Oracle Cloud. Hi, I'm Linus, and in today's video you will learn what movement requests are, what different types of movement requests we have in Oracle Cloud, why you need them in your inventory management, and what the steps are in performing them. So let's get right into it. Oracle's definition is as follows. Movement requests are requests for the movement of material within an inventory organization such as a warehouse or facility. As you may recall from the inventory introduction, movement requests belong to the first group of transactions, so transactions inside of the same inventory organization, where we have sub-inventory transfers and movement requests. You may be asking right now, why do I even need movement requests when I have sub-inventory transfers? That's a good question, and we have 3 reasons for movement requests. Reason number 1, you can involve approval functionality, as whereas in sub-inventory transfers we cannot have approvals. Second, movement requests leverage picking rules to automatically allocate material. And reason number 3, you will get printable pick slips for your inventory workers to exactly know where to go and what to pick. As movement requests are so cool, Oracle offers them for a bunch of different sources. So we have 3 types of movement requests. First are requisition movement requests. Requisition movement requests are initiated manually. Then we have replenishment movement requests that are produced automatically by min-max planning. And then we have shop floor movement requests that are initiated by manufacturing. The first 2 types we'll cover step by step in this course, so make sure to go to panamir.com and check out the complete course for free. No matter the type, every movement request consists of 4 steps. Some of them have to be done manually and some can be automated. First, we have to create a movement request. Second, we gotta print the movement request pixel report. Third, we physically move the material. And then fourth, we perform the pick confirmation. To really get a feeling for this important topic, I suggest that you start with a requisition movement request, because then you can perform all the steps manually. And don't worry, I'll cover every single step in the next video, so make sure to go to panamir.com and check out the whole course completely for free.